That right there is Trey Kennard debuting the Honda CR electric bike, Electric Proto, in the round 8 of the All Japan Motocross Championship. And it did pretty well considering this is an electric bike racing 450, uh, 450 other dirt bikes, 450 machinery, whatever you want to call it. And in 3 races, he finished second in the first outing with 2 hole shots and apparently some crashes and whatever, things. But it proves what we already all know about electric bikes or electric engines. Electric engines have a ton of very immediate torque and power, so the whole shot's probably not a surprise. He doesn't have to shift, so you're not losing any time there. But it is kind of cool to see that a fully electric bike from Honda, can go out and race against 450 machinery and be competitive. So this kind of opens the door for Stark, if they want to start racing, if they can make a competitive machine with the right battery power. I don't know how you convert that into whatever, but and for Trey, being a test rider for Honda, this still shows that he's fast to go over to a championship in the middle of the season probably and finish second and also get hole shots. It's pretty cool. I know a lot of people hate electric bikes or don't want them racing against internal combustion bikes and everything, but at some point this is probably going to be the future. Let's be honest. 20, 30 years down the line, whatever it is, it's going to be electric motors unless somebody figures out hydrogen or whatnot. So it's going to be the team that figures out the best. But I guess in the comments below, you tell me, are you excited to see electric bikes racing, or could you care less? Are you hate electric bikes, whatever it is, or did you somehow see this and did you watch the race and was it good? But comments below, tell me whatever you want to, or tell me what you think. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.